Poor insulation can significantly reduce the energy efficiency of your HVAC system, leading to higher energy bills and a less comfortable home environment. Insulation plays a crucial role in trapping heat or cold air within your home, preventing it from escaping through walls, ceilings, floors, and other openings. When insulation is inadequate or damaged, it allows warm air to escape in the winter and cool air to escape in the summer. This forces the HVAC system to work harder and longer to maintain the desired indoor temperature, consuming more energy and driving up your utility bills. Here's how inadequate insulation can impact your energy efficiency. Increased heating and cooling costs. When warm air escapes in the winter, your furnace must work harder to replace it, consuming more energy and raising your heating bills. Conversely, when cool air escapes in the summer, your air conditioner must work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to higher cooling costs. Uneven temperature distribution. Poor insulation can cause temperature variations throughout your home, resulting in uncomfortable hot and cold spots. This is because the conditioned air is not evenly distributed due to heat escaping through poorly insulated areas. Shorter system lifespan. Overworking your HVAC system due to inadequate insulation can accelerate wear and tear on its components, leading to premature breakdowns and repair costs. Health issues. Inadequate insulation can contribute to uncomfortable indoor temperatures, which can affect your sleep quality, energy levels, and overall health. To improve your home's energy efficiency and reduce your HVAC operating costs, it's essential to address any insulation deficiencies. Here are some steps you can take. Professional evaluation. Schedule an inspection by a qualified HVAC contractor to assess the current insulation levels and identify areas that need improvement. Insulate walls and attic. Ensure proper insulation in exterior walls, attics, and crawl spaces to prevent heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. Seal air leaks. Address any air leaks around windows, doors, vents, and electrical outlets to prevent conditioned air from escaping. Upgrade ductwork insulation. Insulate ductwork to minimize heat loss or gain during air circulation, which can improve system efficiency. Consider smart thermostats. Install smart thermostats that can regulate temperature settings based on occupancy and user preferences, further optimizing energy consumption. By addressing inadequate insulation, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency, reduce HVAC operating costs, and create a more comfortable living environment. Please check description for much more.